Monday morning. It is Mindful Monday. Please be ready to share at 8:30. This week will look much different than others because we are map testing. You will not have Spanish Monday through Thursday, only on Friday. We will meet at 8:30 and start to test and reading at 9:30 promptly. Please make sure you log in to my Zoom or to whichever teacher you are using for Zoom by 9:25. The only item you will be responsible for is reading every day for a minimum of 30 minutes and fill out your digital reading log in Seesaw daily and save it as a draft. Submit your reading log on Friday. We will still have our one-on-one meetings and you're responsible for attending your afternoon classes all this week. There will not be a story of the week or a project of the week. I'll see y'all at 8:30. Let's make it a great Monday.